Did you know that eating breakfast will help you lose more weight than if you don't eat breakfast? Well, in this episode I'm going to show you 3 porridge recipes that are going to help you achieve that goal. Start by adding 90 grams of oats to a pan. Add a sprinkle of sea salt. Add 480 millilitres of milk, and don't splash all the milk over the place unless you want to be like me. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add in a diced apple or some apple sauce. When your porridge has reached this desired texture, add it to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of honey to balance the flavour and give it a beautiful sweetness. Time to decorate your porridge. Here I have some beautiful half moon apple slices, and if you're feeling really naughty you can add another drizzle of honey. And there it is, the perfect winter warmer apple and cinnamon porridge. For porridge number 2, add 90 grams of oats to a pan. Add a pinch of sea salt. Add 480 millilitres of the milk of choice. In this example I'm using soya milk, but you can use whole milk, oat milk or nut milk. Whack in some frozen or fresh dark fruits such as cherries, blackberries and strawberries. Keep stirring on a medium heat until the desired consistency is reached. When you are happy with the thickness and texture of your porridge, empty it into a bowl. To finish off this lovely porridge, I'm going to add some fresh raspberries, and you can add any fruit of your choice. Plus, if you're feeling really sweet, you can add a tablespoon of honey. For the third and final porridge, add your 90 grams of oats to a pan, followed by a sprinkle of sea salt. Add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. Add your milk of choice. Here I'm using 480 millilitres of whole milk, but you can add any milk you like, same ratio, works absolutely just fine. Cook over a medium heat until the desired texture is reached, and the cacao powder will mix into the milk and give it a beautifully chocolatey colour. Now you've reached your desired texture, whack that beautiful chocolatey porridge into a bowl. I'm going to top off this chocolatey sensation by using mixed nuts and honey, but the possibilities are endless here. You can use fruits, you can use nuts, raspberries, cranberries, strawberries, cashew nuts, whatever you want, guys. So there it is, chocolate heaven, healthy chocolate heaven not to mention. And by the way guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I want to bring bigger, better footage. I want to grow as high as possible. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. I appreciate your support, and a happy new year. Hope you're having a great one, guys.